2 weeks ago, I spent $1,200 on a pair of sneakers, which is probably the most I've spent in years. Somehow, some way, they managed to get lost or stolen in transit. I'm gonna go over the whole story in this video, so make sure you watch to the end so this doesn't happen to you. If y'all enjoy, leave a like, subscribe, and hey, let's get to it. This isn't even the first time that some bullshit happens while buying sneakers on eBay. If you guys remember the Amamaniers that I got with the chip in them from eBay, this happened. I got a fake pair of breads on eBay that I literally never wore. Now we have the situation with the Cause Jordan 4, which is probably my worst yet. This is the one that probably hurt the most because I know that I won't be able to find this sneaker at this price ever again with the condition that they were in, bro. I'm sick, I'm not gonna lie. It's one of those things where it was a once in a lifetime opportunity, so I decided to bite the bullet, treat myself. I was just excited to get those in the collection because it's not every day that you see a Cause Jordan 4. I remember 2017 when these released. I was on the website trying to get them and I didn't hit. That was during peak Yeezy times. I remember there was a bunch of Yeezy releases lined up. This Cause Jordan 4 was one of those holiday type drops that you didn't want to miss out on, so for me it was a must cop. Fast forward to 2023, like 5 years later, this sneaker's only gonna go up. They're not gonna do anything like this ever again, most likely, so I might as well see if I could pick up a pair on the secondary market. So that's why I ended up on eBay. Typically what I do on eBay is I search the model that I want or the sneaker that I want, and I go through the buy now listings. I see what the best prices are. Then I also go on auction. I put ending soonest to see if I can snag a deal through auction, and that's what ended up happening with this pair right here. I ended up getting them for $1,150 approximately shipped, which if you know, you know, that's a great price for this sneaker. I was gassed, bro. I'm literally looking out the window, checking the tracking, and I see that nothing is updating. So at this point, I'm like, bro, what is going on? Why is this happening? Like, what's going on, bro? I spent almost $1,200 and the tracking isn't updating. Now, normally when you buy a sneaker on eBay, they send it to get authenticated. Then after that, they ship it to you. For a couple days, it was saying arrived at hub, which basically means they're gonna authenticate your sneaker, then they get shipped out to you. So at this point, I'm like, damn, bro, they might be fake. Something might have gone wrong, but I still had high hopes. Fast forward 3 more days and I get this email from eBay that literally broke my heart, basically saying that the item was either lost or damaged when it arrived to their authentication center, which in terms translate to they got stolen by either FedEx or, if we're really thinking about it, eBay, bro. They might have seen like, yo, $1,150 for some Cause 4s. That's a come up. Put 2 and 2 together and it might fuck around and be that eBay stole my sneakers. Comment below what you guys think. Was this FedEx or was it eBay? At the end of the day, I don't have the Cause 4s. I've been looking for another pair, and literally I was looking at a pair on auction and they ended up selling for $1,570. I'm like, bro, I'm not doing all that. Like, that's OD, like OD. So I'm not trying to spend that much. All I know is that eBay or FedEx got a new pair of Cause 4s damn near for free, and they fucked me over, bro. This is a sneaker that I'm probably gonna have to pick up in the future when I got hella bread, because right now it's not happening for me, and I understand, you feel me? Sometimes you gotta take your loss and just deal with it. At the end of the day, I'm still in the market for a really hype pair of sneakers. It's either the UNC Jordan 1s, off-white, of course, off-white Air Force 1s. The black joints came out with the black and then the vault colorway. I kind of am with those too. I feel like they're mad wearable, so I might go for those. Some Sean Witherspoon Air Maxes would be sick. Travis Jordan 1 lows. I'm still deciding what sneaker I'm gonna get, but I feel like I deserve some compensation for this. Low-key, I hit up eBay like, yo, could y'all do something for me? Like, y'all literally just fucked me over, you get me? And they deadass gave me $40 off on my next sneaker purchase, which I guess beggars can't be choosers, you feel me? If I never would have said, yo, listen, what could y'all do for me? I wouldn't have shit. I'll take the $40 and hopefully I could put it towards my next sneaker purchase. But at the end of the day, bro, I feel betrayed, bro. Like, as a loyal customer, I need answers, bro. For the past few days, I deadass been battling inside, debating whether eBay stole my shit or not. If someone at the eBay hub has a store or some shit and they saw these at that price, they might be like, bro, this might be something to look into. And then they just took my shit and ran with it, bro. And if it was FedEx, somebody need to do something, because FedEx employees, UPS employees literally get first dibs at sneakers and they never get fired. Like, bro, I don't see no FedEx employees getting fired from stealing sneakers. Like, somebody please let me know what's going on, bro, because UPS employees probably got some crazy ass sneaker collections. By the looks of it, they got stolen. I know eBay's not gonna say it because obviously it would look bad on their part, or it would tarnish their reputation or whatever, but if we're calling a spade, my sneaker never made it, bro. And I did get my money back. I actually ended up hitting the seller up, and I asked him, like, bro, what's going on with the listing? He told me that they never even hit him up. They hit me up first before they hit the seller up, letting him know that his shit was stolen, which is absurd to me, bro. Like, how the fuck you gonna hit me up but not the person who sold the shit? I did make sure that he got his money back though, which he did, and at that point eBay lost the money. I kept my money and he got his money back. So I guess as a seller and a buyer, we're good. eBay did take an L on this one, but then again, they might fuck around and just say, yo, we got lost in translation, and they keep the pair. Who knows, bro? We really will never know. These are eBay conspiracies at this point. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. This is just a quick little video because I told y'all if something happens to me out of the norm or the ordinary, I'll make sure to document it for y'all. Sometimes you gotta take those tribulations that you go through, those faults and shit that you go through in life, and flip it to a positive. So that's exactly what I did here. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I was sick for a couple days and I'm still looking for some heat to get in the collection. Collab or something that I could add to this top row of sneakers. I do have an early pair that I'm gonna talk about in one of these upcoming videos. If y'all want to watch that, make sure y'all stay tuned. Check out this video right here because that's what YouTube is recommending you. Also, leave a like and subscribe while you're still here. Have a great rest of your day. I love y'all if you watching. Yo, hit up eBay, let them know where my cause 4's at, bro. Where the 4's at? That shit is looking suspicious. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all. Peace.